Households and businesses in New South Wales are installing rooftop solar in record numbers to save money on their electricity bills and to lower their emissions. Rooftop solar already powers more than 1 in 3 homes across New South Wales, and the excess solar energy is sent back to the grid for everyone to use. The New South Wales Government is working with the solar industry and electricity distribution networks Ausgrid, Endeavour Energy and Essential Energy to improve how we connect and manage consumer energy resources like solar on the grid. We're doing this by creating an online portal. This portal will make it easier for installers to register new consumer energy resources installations, like rooftop solar, into network and government systems anywhere in New South Wales. It will provide a single process for installers that is the same across all 3 distribution networks. Support the introduction of flexible export limits in New South Wales, enabling customers to install larger systems and export more solar back to the grid. Help to ensure grid safety and stability by enabling the Australian Energy Market Operator's Emergency Backstop Mechanism. And it will make it easier to capture the data we need to ensure compliance for technical standards. We want solar businesses like yours to help us design and deliver a portal that works for you. The single New South Wales portal will streamline the installation of consumer energy resources. Find out more about the portal and how we are supporting the growth of solar in New South Wales.